Hi, today for with me NAVITEL T787 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the sounds section. Here you'll see media, coloring, notification and alarm volume panels, and just to change them we should slide to the left or to the right side these dots on the volume panels by this way. So here you'll see the don't disturb mode. Just tap on it to activate it. To turn it off, tap on the switcher. To allow the messages, calls from many people or apps, you should just tap here. We could also set the shadow to change duration for quick settings and to display options for hidden notifications. Here we could change phone ringtone. In media section you could pin media player or to show media recommendations by use the switchers. To activate a turn off vibration for calls. To change default notification and alarm sounds, and on dial pad tones, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and vibration touch sounds and touch vibration. You get here some switchers which you could use to turn on and turn off these options, and in sound enhancement you could use the volume booster for speaker. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.